You guys coming in?
Yeah.
We want to do it again.
You dropped that.
I hope so too.
Look at the wall.
Alright, so this is our room. It's got 2 queen-size beds, of course, with the Pixar ball pillows and a mural in the back. So cool, so cool. It also has a pull-out sofa bed. So it looks like Tara Lynn and Eli will be sharing. Now we do have a view of the pool, which is it's got the park, the water park, and it's got the pool, and that is the Disneyland parking lot back there. So we may not have gotten a view of Disneyland, but we did get the parking lot, so that's pretty cool.
Wait, we got a.
Hi guys.
Hi.
We're having fun?
Yeah, super.
And here's the Pixar lamp that goes in the room.
Does it work?
Yes.
You should turn it on.
Yeah, you should turn it on.
And guys, look, it's the Pixar ball as a pillow.
And the Pixar wall is a pillow. And
Oh wow, look at all these cars.
There's a water slide.
Yeah. Where? Yeah, we didn't bring it. This is way before.
Carolyn, guess what?
alright, let's check out the lights here. One of them's gotta be up. There you go.
We even came to this.
Actually, no.
Oh, there you go. All the lights are on. Well, that's a really good sized shower. That was a pull out. You pull the door open. Of course, you have your wash, your conditioner, and your shampoo available for you. Of course, your standard bathroom and your standard hand soap and body lotion. So, hi. We're standard with 2 plugs. Now this is the closet.
Well, only you.
Oh, very spacious closet. Oh, very not bad. And of course, for everybody that is almost like me, look, we get our very own Keurig. So
It has a little bowl on the
What did you say?
poster.
the little refrigerator.
That's a little Pixar bowl.
And oh, there you go. Here's the condiment kit and all the coffee.
What's in here?
And it even has hot chocolate for us.
Fridge? The fridge. We got the fridge.
And of course, here's the cups. And then the last drawer. So Ashley, what do you think?
I love it. I'm so excited.
All right. And of course, look, another mirror. And it's got a barn door. So you come right over here.
Guys, if you have not seen this movie yet, but this is from Monsters Inc. University.
Oh, there you go. Bye, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share these videos. In case nobody's ever stayed at the Pixar Plaza Hotel. Pixar Place Hotel. See, I'm excited and tired, but it's okay. We'll make it happen. YouTube thinks you will like this video right here. So do what it says. Click here for more.